so lucky in Australia to have so many incredible beauty brands that are Australian made and owned. And it's actually about to be on the 15th to the 21st of May, it's going to be Australian Made Week. Now, obviously those products with the logo that we know and love, sometimes it costs a little bit more to shop Australian made, but it makes such a difference. It boosts the economy, it creates and supports job opportunities, and it also helps the environment by minimising transport. I have got some really great Australian made products here. This is Everessence Organic Hair Care. I actually just washed my hair with it. Smells amazing. This is Freshwater Farm branded hand cream. Beautiful products. They have the most incredible hand soaps, dish soaps. Look at this cool minimalist anti-cavity whitening with Australian mint toothpaste. How beautiful is that? So Dreamtime Dresses is located in Townsville in Queensland, and they showcase beautiful Aboriginal art in their pieces. So this is a really nice way to support their brand. This is Sea Spray by Noosa Basics. And an oldie bit of goodie, Lucas Pawpaw Ointment. So make sure you look for the symbols, look for the words on the back of the packaging, and support Australian made this coming 15th of May to 21st of May and beyond.